So now let us see how we can solve this problem over solid edge. Okay, so first you draw a thin line here, so of 0.13 thickness. Okay, so next you draw one more vertical line, okay. Now let us construct first base here, that is what a prism. So now if you are drawing with isometric scale, so then you need to convert it to isometric scale. Okay, so now let us take, so this is what a reference point, so I will go for drawing first. So square prism, so base side is 40 mm here, so I'll go for 4 into 8.164, angle as a 30. Okay, now similarly I will draw one more line on left side. This is what 4 into 8.164, so 150. Okay, so now height is, it has an 30 mm height. Now I'll go for 3 into 8.164, angle as 90. So now you can construct here again, so or else you can go for construction of the lines, or you can go for copying the lines here. Okay, so now I'll go for copying the lines at a different locations. So now for this one I will go for just zoom area here. So now I'll go for move, I will select copy option here. So now I will select this vertical line, I'll keep this as a reference point, end point of one line as a reference. Okay, so now let us place over here, let us place over here. Okay, now you connect all these 3 points. Okay, now so as you need to construct another 2 top edges, I'll go for again say move, copy, okay, move with copy. So now let us select this line, I'll move with copy. Now I will select end point of this line here and I will place over here. Similarly I will select this line and go for move with copy option as highlighted. I will keep end point as a reference here. So now this completes isometric projection of a square prism. So now as you need to construct isometric pyramid, so if you are perfect with the dimensions, you can start within here only, or else you can just go for drawing that one in outside. Now let us locate a center point here. Now this is to be 0.13. Now this also has to be 0.13. So you just to go for zoom area, so check out whether it's properly drawn or not. Okay, so some points are not connected to each other, so you must take care, so connection of every point. Right, now so let us construct a pyramid here separately. So this is for your easy understanding purpose, I am drawing the components separately and then I am moving with one over the another. So now let us draw one more thin line here, vertical thin line. Okay, now let us construct a pyramid. So now from this end point I'll just draw, base side is 30 mm, 3 into 8.164, angle is 30. So you can go for constructing directly if you know the dimensions properly. Okay, 150. So now it is what 3 into 8.164, it is minus 150. So now let us close here. Okay, so go for a little bit zoom. So now we'll draw one construction line here, so just I am going to connect these diagonal points. Now I got a center point here. Okay, so now from this center point we just draw axis here, we just draw an axis of 5 units height. Okay, now connect all these corners with a fixed point. So from this you just connect over here, you connect over here. Now change line type to the continuous, change line to the continuous. So from this point again you draw over here. So now as these lines are hidden, just select these two lines and convert it to hidden type. Okay. Now so move, I'll go for move, I'll turn off copy option here, I'll select this entire drawing and I'll keep reference point as a midpoint of this base or center point of this base. So now I'll move over here. Okay. So you just observe. So again you check out what are the things are to be visible or what are things are to be hidden. Now I'll trim here. Now I'll take a line. So I'll go for 0.5 and I'll use hidden here. Similarly, I'll trim this much of portion. I'll just go for a zoom closer. I'll select here end point, connected. You can show hidden portion if possible, otherwise you just remove all hidden lines here. Okay. So again, if you want to show the hidden portion for a base, select this line, go for move with a copy option here. So keep this point as a reference here, you just place over here. Now you can select this one and convert it to hidden line type. One more thing, move, turn on copy option, select this left edge, keep this as a reference point, you just place over here. Now you can convert this one also and hidden line type. Okay. Now this completes your first problem.